KP Sports Collection. We go live on this YouTube channel every Monday and Thursday at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now, we are getting ready to do a Schwartz Sports autographed mini helmet. This is Series 11, box 35 of 50. This is a randomized divisional break. So let's go ahead and click on over here and see who's going to hit. Letterkenny, you have 4 divisions. Chris Price with 1, Brian Brumfield with 2, and Letterkenny snagging the last one. We're going to copy this list. We're going to take it on over to random.org. We're going to paste the list and hit the randomize button 5 times. Whatever position the names are in will be the random NFL division that you have for the break. 5 times. Brian Brumfield, you're on top. Letterkenny, you're on top. Letterkenny, AFC North and the NFC North. Letterkenny, AFC South. Chris Price with the NFC South. Letterkenny with the AFC East. Brian Brumfield with the NFC East. Letterkenny with the AFC West. And Brian Brumfield to finish it off with the NFC West. Gentlemen, if you're live in our YouTube chat and you feel like you would like to make a divisional trade, feel free to throw it up in the chat, confirm your trade in the chat, and we will adjust it accordingly on our end. Take a peek at your divisions. If you want to make a trade, let us know. You're getting stuff done over there.
Clean your basement.
Oh, it's just kid toys.
You looked at me like, what are you doing?
Kinda.
Well, clean it.
Well, I mean,
you won't have a shopping cart fall on me.
The Jurassic tape rip off the box was the thing that I was like, what are you doing? It was like.
How are you supposed to rip tape off a box to open a case? I guess I could use this. Yeah, I guess I could use that. We got anything going on? Any trades? Any trades?
Chris Price would like to trade Kenny, NFC South or AFC West. Any trades? Kenny, would you like to make a trade to Mr. Chris Price?
I'm calling Patty Mahomes.
Well, Kenny's
like, shit, I can't trade him
Kenny's
now.
going to be like, well, I'm not doing it now. A Patty Mini?
I'd die. I wouldn't die. It'd be sweet, though.
Yeah, sure would.
No trades.
Box Testaverde. Come on. Blasphemy, Brian said.
What, Tim? What's the next jersey?
First jersey you weren't in on, Tim?
Yeah, you got your 2 at the top of the next jersey, Tim. They're good.
That's the next break coming, bud.
Yeah. I'm good. All right, let's do it.
Good luck, guys.
That's pretty cool, Ed.
Very cool.
All right, let's open this box a really awkward way because of the worst box on planet Earth.
Please don't rip it.
Bro. What did you struggle to open while I was on vacation, remember? Is it the baseball? Like the normal baseball?
I don't know what it was.
Remember Ed said you were going to cut yourself or something?
Yeah, I don't know what it was.
He said maybe if you weren't using a machete. That's what it took for me to buy this. Bro, I don't know. Oh. I think we're good. I might be able to. I might do it this time. I might do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smooth.
Who we got? Who's it gonna be? Oh.
Florida Gators.
Yeah.
What are we, huh? Anybody know? College Football Hall of Fame. College Hall of Fame, 92. Jack? Josh?
Does that say, I see, do I see Hampton?
I think it's Jack Youngblood. Did he go to Florida?
I don't know.
Did Youngblood go to Florida? I I think it's Jack Youngblood. I think he went to Florida.
It says it on the bottom. I'm pretty sure most of them do.
I know, but that's not fun. That's not fun. I think it's Youngblood. Jack. That looks like Young, B-L-O-O-D. It's Jack Youngblood.
Hall of Fame.
College Hall of Fame
92.
92.
Oh yeah.
So that's kind of cool. Yeah, it says CHF. Or CH.
Speed
Yeah,
helmet
CHF.
too.
It's a speed. It's a nice little football. Nice little mini helmet.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's funny. I saw the orange and I was like, "That's college, maybe."
Definitely college. Jack Youngblood.
Jack Youngblood. Let's confirm. Let's see who we're gonna get. Jack Youngblood.
Going to the Rams.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty certain.
Played at Florida, Los Angeles Rams. Yeah, it's Rams.
LA Rams. LA Rams going
NFC
to the
West.
NFC West. NFC West. Brian.
Romy. Nice, man.
Double check.
Triple, quadruple, double check.
Brian. Nice.
Nice.
Nice little snag. Congrats, Brian. Copy this list, guys. This is for a free entry into a mini helmet. We got a jersey coming up next, and that leaves one spot left until we raffle off another freebie mini helmet. 5 times. Brian Brumfield double dipped on that one. Mini helmet 1 is done. Mark that bad boy red. Free mini helmet giveaway.
How many are left?
2. And we're going to do a jersey, so that'll leave 1.
What are we going to break after that to get the free B?
All right, guys. JP Sports Collection every Monday and Thursday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and you guys have a good evening.